Hi, I'm Ismail, Design and Test Engineer at IPD Test. Here I'm going to introduce our new vacuum forming machine, Formate. Now I'm going to set up the machine, unlock the main lock-in lever, flatten the machine slowly and evenly. Okay, let's have a look at the components of this machine. This is the heating chamber with the quartz heater. This is the sheet loading frame. This is an airtight vacuum chamber. This is an electronic control unit which controls the heater and the vacuum pump. Here you can use a standard household vacuum cleaner of 2000 watt or above. And we provide this adapter with a clamp that you can use to connect the hose to the vacuum chamber. Here I have already connected to the hose, so I'll connect to the chamber now. Now plug in the vacuum cleaner to the ECU socket, and then to use the frame, first lift the frame, then lock it with the position latches on both sides, and make sure you can move it smoothly towards the heating chamber and the vacuum chamber. Now plug in the main to the power supply, and for safety purpose, please wear the gloves as provided with the machine. After that, switch on the ECU using the toggle switch. Now the display turns on and the vacuum cleaner gets power for 2 seconds to ensure it's connected to the ECU. This is the control panel. There are 2 control buttons, 2 navigation buttons which controls the machine operation. Now I am going to vacuum form this wooden car model. For that I am using this A3 size HIPS sheet, but you can use any other A3 size thermoforming sheet of thickness 0.5 mm to 5 mm. To load the sheet, use the tool provider, loosen the quick release bolts. Split open the frame, load the sheet, and then tighten the bolts. Now the sheet is ready to use. Now I will start the process, but before that, move the frame towards the heating chamber. And in our design, the heater is placed below the sheet and the heater is insulated as well, so there is no heat loss. Then place the model over the vacuum chamber. And here we got 2 methods of operation. One is manual mode, the other is operating mode. First I'll go to the manual mode. In the control unit, press OK and choose manual mode. Then press start to turn on the heater. Now the sheet is softened enough. Stop the heater, turn on the vacuum. Loose the quick release bolts. Now split open the frame. Take the sheet down. Now take the mode off. Output. Here you can note down the heat, delay, vacuum timing so that you can use it in future for the same material. Now I'm going to show you how to use the operating mode. I have loaded the sheet as before. Now I'm going to use this wooden model. If I press the start button, the heater turns on. The machine beeps 5 seconds before the heater turns off, notifying that it's going to hand over the operation to the vacuum chamber. So once the heater turns off, move the frame over the mold and suction takes place. Now I will press the start button. So the cycle started now. Now I'm waiting for the beep sound to come. Still 30 seconds to go. Now you can see the material is heating up. So it's nearly 10 seconds now. So you can hear the beep sound now. So this now I'm going to loosen the tube release bolt. Open the frame as before. And here's our model. You can take the model out. I hope our vacuum forming machine will benefit the model makers and the DIY enthusiasts. We thank in advance for your support, and also we thank Kickstarter for giving us an opportunity to present our product.